SS with 295 with CDI ignition. Scully's gonna take it for a little rip. We have no snow up here, we got frost. What the hell is this guy doing? We got her going though. I'm gonna hop in the back until we get out there. It's got some moose too. This has got moose. Definitely has some moose, boys. Are gone. I hit the gas and it's track, I think it just fell loose. Yeah, I'll keep sending. Is that why?
I don't know. Let's fire it up once. Let me
check it once. You pick it up.
She's pretty fucking loose.
Oh yeah, that could probably fucking make a difference.
Try to run on the
cogs are stripped.
Yep, that's what I said.
Yeah. Okay, well we gotta try to get this thing back. Show him move.
Drag his rally car.
You said recon.
Yeah.
Well, boys, you had the camera on?
Yeah.
Well, boys, I think we fucked up on this one.
I sent it though for that first lap, man. Holy crap.
Those drive cogs are like paper.
Dude, those things are round as butter.
I just gotta find a chassis to put that motor in.
Yeah. Well.
Does she have any power?
It sucked me back on that first straightaway.
One straightaway is all we got out of the $60 Colt, dude.
We got about 2 decent laps, and I felt it start hitting a little neutral. You know,
Listen to the cogs. They're so fucking stripped. There's like it's like a straight circle.
Oh fuck.
That's what happens when they sit outside for fucking 15 years. This thing is rotten.
Yeah.
It's an eyesore.
She's alright. She's gnarly, man.
All right. I'll just push you to see if we can get her going.
Alright.
We'll see. Here. Yeah.